Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way.
Hi, friends. We're so glad you're here today. Whether you're commuting, cooking, or just relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're diving into three powerful expressions: had, have, and will have.
These are all forms of the verb to have, but used in very special ways.
They help you talk about completed actions across three different time frames.
Past, present, and future, all in one episode.
By the end, you'll use all three with total confidence.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get into it.
First, let's understand what we're dealing with.
Have, has, had, and will have are used to form the perfect tenses.
The perfect tenses describe actions that are completed, finished, in relation to another time.
This is the key idea. It's not just when something happened, it's how it connects to another moment.
Let's explore each one.
Expression 1. Have, has.
Have and has form the present perfect tense.
Structure. Subject plus have or has plus past participle.
I have finished. She has arrived. They have left.
Use have with I, you, we, they.
Use has with he, she, it.
I have eaten. She has called. We have decided.
Uses of have, has.
Use have, has, use 1, actions completed recently with a result now.
I have lost my keys. I can't find them right now.
She has broken her arm. It's broken now.
They have finished the project. It's done now.
Use have, has, use 2, life experiences, things you've done at some point.
I have visited Paris. He has eaten sushi. We have seen that movie.
The exact time doesn't matter, just that it happened in your life.
Have you ever tried Thai food? Yes, I have.
Use have, has, use 3, actions that started in the past and continue to now.
I have lived here for 10 years. I still live here.
She has worked at that company since 2018.
Keywords: for, a duration, and since, a starting point.
I have studied English for 6 months. I have studied English since January. Use have, has, use for, actions that happened an unspecified time in the past.
Someone has eaten my lunch. I don't know exactly when.
The team has already submitted the report.
I haven't seen that film yet.
Expression 2. Had.
Had forms the past perfect tense.
Structure. Subject plus had plus past participle.
I had finished. She had arrived. They had left.
The key idea is something happened before another past event.
It's like going 2 steps back in time, past before the past.
Uses of had. Uses of had 1. Describing what was already done before a past moment.
When he arrived, I had already eaten. First, I ate, then he arrived.
She had studied hard, so she passed the exam.
By the time the movie started, we had found our seats.
Uses of had 2. Explaining the cause of a past situation.
She was tired because she hadn't slept.
He missed the bus because he woke up late.
They won because they had practiced every day.
Uses of had 3. Describing past experiences up to a past point.
Before I moved to Canada, I had never seen snow.
She had never tried coffee until she was 25.
I had always wanted to visit Japan.
Uses of had 4. Reporting what someone said happened earlier.
She told me she had already spoken to the manager.
He said he had finished his homework.
They explained they had tried everything.
Expression 3. Will have.
Will have forms the future perfect tense.
Structure. Subject plus will have plus past participle.
Will have finished. She will have arrived. They will have left.
The key idea. Something will be completed before a specific future moment.
You're imagining yourself in the future, looking back at something that's done.
Uses of will have. Use 1. Actions completed before a future point.
By Friday, I will have submitted the report.
By next year, she will have graduated.
By the time you arrive, I will have cooked dinner.
Use 2. Predicting completion of something ongoing.
By 2020, scientists will have developed new treatments.
By the end of the month, we will have saved enough money.
By next summer, they will have finished building the house.
Use 3. Duration up to a future point.
By next month, I will have been here for 5 years.
By December, she will have worked at this company for a decade.
This is often paired with by then or by that time.
Use 4. Making confident predictions about the present.
Don't call her now. She will have gone to bed.
He's not here. He will have taken the earlier train.
The package will have arrived by now.
The key differences.
Have or has equals present perfect, past action, present connection.
Had equals past perfect, completed before another past event.
Will have equals future perfect, completed before a future point.
Think of it this way.
I have eaten. I'm full right now.
I had eaten before she called. I was already full when the call came.
I will have eaten by the time you arrive. I'll be full when you get here.
Now let's practice with a conversation.
Linda, have you ever traveled to South America?
Yes, I have visited Brazil and Argentina. It was incredible.
Oh, wow. Had you studied Portuguese before you went?
A little. I had taken a few lessons, but not many. I wish I had prepared more.
By the time you left Brazil, had you learned any phrases?
Yes, I had picked up some basics by the end of the trip.
Are you planning to go back?
Definitely. By next December, I will have saved enough to go again.
And will you study more Portuguese before then?
Absolutely. By the time I board the plane, I will have completed an entire course.
That's the spirit. Did you notice all 3 expressions?
Have you ever traveled? Present perfect. Life experience.
I have visited Brazil. Present perfect. Past with present relevance.
Had you studied Portuguese? Past perfect. Before another past event.
I had taken a few lessons. Past perfect. Already done before the trip.
I had picked up some basics by the end. Past perfect. Completed by a past point.
I will have saved enough by December. Future perfect. Completed before a future point.
I will have completed an entire course. Future perfect. Done before a future event.
All 3 tenses used naturally in one conversation.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using simple past instead of present perfect.
Wrong. I already ate when talking about now.
Correct. I have already eaten.
The present perfect connects the past to now. Simple past just states what happened.
Mistake 2. Confusing have and had.
Wrong. When he called, I have already left.
Correct. When he called, I had already left.
Use had, not have, when both events are in the past.
Mistake 3. Forgetting the past participle.
Wrong. I have ate. She has gone. They had took.
Correct. I have eaten. She has gone. They had taken.
Always use the past participle. Eaten, gone, taken, written, done.
Mistake 4. Missing by with future perfect.
Wrong. I will have finished tomorrow.
Correct. I will have finished by tomorrow.
Will have almost always needs a deadline. By then, by the time.
Complete structured chart.
Present perfect.
I have worked. You have worked. He, she has worked. We have worked. They have worked.
The past participle, worked here, never changes.
It stays the same for every subject.
Key time expressions.
Use have or has with already, yet, ever, never, just, recently, since, for, so far, lately.
I have just arrived. Have you ever tried this? She hasn't called yet.
Use had with already, by the time, when, before, after, never, just in the past.
He had already left when I arrived. She had never seen snow before she moved north.
Use will have with by the time, by then, by next year.
By Friday, I will have finished. By the time she reads this, everything will have changed. Contractions and negatives.
Contractions.
I have, I've. She has, she's. They have, they've.
I've finished. She's arrived. They've decided.
Had to d for all subjects.
I'd already eaten. She'd never seen it before.
Will have to ul have.
I'll have finished by Monday. They'll have left by then.
Negatives. Have not or haven't. I haven't finished. She hasn't called.
Has not or hasn't. He hasn't replied. It hasn't started.
Had not or hadn't. I hadn't seen it. She hadn't eaten yet.
Will not have or won't have. I won't have finished in time. She won't have arrived yet. Question forms.
Present perfect.
Have you finished? Has she arrived? Have they eaten?
Past perfect.
Had you studied? Had she met him before? Had they left already?
Future perfect.
Will you have finished by then? Will she have left by the time I arrive?
Remember, move have, has, had, or will before the subject to make a question. Real-life scenarios.
At work.
Have you submitted the report yet? She hasn't responded. I had already finished before the deadline. By Friday, I will have completed all the reviews.
At a job interview.
I have worked in marketing for 5 years. I had managed a team before joining my last company. By next month, I will have completed my MBA.
Telling a story.
So I arrived at the restaurant, but they had already given away our table. I was furious. I had made the reservation 2 weeks earlier.
Making plans.
Don't worry. By the time the guests arrive, I will have cleaned the house. I will have made dinner too. I will have made dinner too.
Talking about life experience.
Have you ever lived abroad? I have lived in 3 countries. Before I turned 30, I had visited 15 cities. By 40, I will have visited 30.
Quick review.
Have, has equals present perfect. Completed action connected to now.
Past action with a present result. Life experiences. Actions since a point in time.
Had equals past perfect, completed before another past action.
The earlier of 2 past events. Before, by the time, when.
Will have equals future perfect, completed before a future point.
Use with by then, by the time. All 3 use a past participle. Eaten, gone, finished, written, done.
Never say, I have ate, or she had went. Always use the correct past participle.
You now understand all three completely.
These tenses make your English sound sophisticated and natural.
Master them, and you'll express time like a native speaker.
If you enjoyed this episode, give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear, helpful lessons.
Leave us a comment. Write one sentence using each tense.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.